Video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated workflow that captures Facebook lead ads, logs them to Google Sheets, and creates Salesforce leads. We'll begin by setting up the start node, which is the launch point for the entire automation. Think of it as powering on the assembly line. It doesn't collect data on its own, it simply initializes the workflow so everything that follows can run smoothly. In this build, it gets things ready before the Facebook lead ads trigger begins listening. Next comes the Facebook lead ads node, which acts as the trigger. The moment someone submits your lead form, this node receives the details, things like the contact's name, email, phone number, and any custom fields you included in the form. Because the trigger runs in real time, you won't have to poll or refresh anything. As soon as a new lead arrives, the workflow moves forward automatically. Pro tip: make sure the correct page and form are selected, and confirm permissions so the node can access incoming submissions. After a lead is detected, the Prepare CRM data node gets to work. Many ad forms send a single full name, while CRMs prefer first and last names as separate fields. This node splits the full name cleanly so your records land in the right places. Preparing data here reduces formatting errors downstream and keeps your CRM tidy. If your form sometimes captures only a single name, this node can still pass along what's available without breaking the flow. With the data shaped correctly, the log lead to Google Sheets node writes a new row into your spreadsheet. This creates a simple, searchable record of every submission coming from your ads. It's handy as a quick tracker and doubles as a lightweight backup. Keep your sheet organized with clear headers so each field lines up consistently. From there, the Create Lead in Salesforce node adds the contact as a fresh lead in your CRM. Your sales team can immediately view it, assign ownership, and start follow-up without any copy-paste. Automating this step eliminates manual entry and shortens response times, which is critical for conversion. Finally, the Update Status in Sheet node circles back to your spreadsheet and marks the row as processed, letting you know the lead has been added to Salesforce. This simple status update helps prevent duplicate outreach and keeps your tracking source of truth aligned. If something seems off, verify field mappings and connection permissions, then retest the trigger to confirm events are flowing end-to-end.